Hi, today we're going to show you how to replace the bulb of an Ignite landscape lighting light. This is our rock light used in ponds and landscape lighting. First thing you do is find something that you can push through the back of the rock to push out the light. Once you get it out, pull this through, and we're going to screw the cap off like so, and expose the lens and gasket. Set those down there. Now we're going to take this cap, we're going to screw it back on just about a quarter inch in between there, so we have some throw when we're going to tap it on the ground and watch this bulb pop right out. And there it is. Take your new bulb, put it back in, line up the prongs to the holes, and there you have it. Lens goes back on, and screw down the cap. Done.